Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Riad Ouarzazi. I'd like to explain to you about Salatul Eid. A lot of people are asking, inquire about Salatul Eid. Salatul Eid, you can pray it in your home with your families, right? You can pray it in your home with your families in light of this pandemic. The way to pray Salatul Eid is 2 rakat. There is no need for khutbah, because khutbah in the masjid only. But here, because of this pandemic and lockdown, we're in our homes, bring your families, and then you pray 2 rakat, just like you pray Fajr, for instance. But the 2 rakat of Eid are a little bit different. You would need to make 7 takbirat. How does that work? You will say, for instance, Allahu Akbar. This is takbirat ihram. This is what gets you into the salah. And then you say Allahu Akbar 6 times more. So altogether, 7 times. Right? This is for the first one. And then you recite Al-Fatiha. And after Al-Fatiha, if you know Salat Sabbih Isma Rabbika Al-A'la, great. If you don't know, then you can recite, any short surahs. And then you go for your ruku and sujood. And then you come back for the second rak'ah. So when you come back for the second rak'ah, you say Allahu Akbar, right? And then you say Allahu Akbar again, altogether 6 times. So in the first rak'ah is 7 times, but in the second rak'ah is 6 times. So once you come back, you say Allahu Akbar, right? And then you say Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, and 5 times, altogether will be 6. Do you raise your hands? There's a discrepancy between the scholars, the school of thought. Some said you don't, some said you do. So we're not going to get into that, the discrepancies. But you can, Allahu Akbar, and then you recite the Fatiha. And then you recite any surah that you know of. If you know Al-Ghashiyah, you can do that. It's nice. If not, then any short surah. And then you go to your ruku and your sujood. And Assalamu alaikum.